Does your YouTube channel look like a no man's land and your subscriber count is still in the single digits for days? Don't worry, we'll share some fail-proof tips for success on YouTube.
First of all, stop using YouTube auto-selected thumbnails, because that's only for noobs. It has to be your thumbnails, your rules. Think of it like your outfit. What you wear, how you dress up, and how you carry it tell a lot about your personality and thought process. That way, your thumbnail too is your video's red carpet look.
Let me give you a tip. If you're filming on the spot, take a quick photo for a thumbnail. But if you're in a more controlled environment, design the thumbnail before you start recording. Keep it simple with one clear message. If your thumbnail includes a face, zoom in to capture a strong emotion. This can grab viewers' interest and create relatability. To build your brand identity, always stick to a consistent style for your thumbnails, keeping the text minimal for cleaner designs. Only 4 words or less is recommended, because creating a thumbnail is like preparing for a blind date. You want to look your best and make a good first impression, but don't be an open book. Carry an air of mystery, leaving them wanting more.
Use high-quality images to create engaging and trustworthy content. Make sure your thumbnail matches the video title to avoid confusing viewers and to keep your credibility intact. You know, no one likes who breaks promises.
Choose images that spark curiosity without giving away too much about the video. For list videos, use a number in the thumbnail for clarity and interest. Stick to a consistent thumbnail style to keep your content fresh and attract viewers to older videos. You can also increase clickability by using arrows or shapes to highlight important parts of the thumbnail or add relevant objects or people to make the thumbnail more appealing.
One important point here is to avoid the bottom right corner for crucial info, because this is where the YouTube timestamp is placed. In simple terms, if YouTube were a dating app like Tinder, your thumbnail would be the DP, which will help your target audience decide whether to swipe right on your video or swipe left.
But that's not everything, because the bio, the likings, dislikings also matter. This means you need to craft catchy titles too to grab attention. Keep it short. Aim for 60 characters or less. 50 shades of characters will be the sweet spot. Remember, no clickbait, because no false promise to make, but you can use numbers for impact, especially in the case of listicle type videos. If you're targeting people who are just browsing, connect with their emotions before they click.
Remember the emotional attachment your ex offered you to sign up for your past relationship? That's the secret code here too.
Include extra information in brackets to give more context. Ask questions to make them curious, and encourage action by using words like learn or discover, but never use jargon or any overdoing. You know, even a video with the title, How to Open a Door, will get views, as it sounds silly and funny. But the same video with the title, utilize ergonomic interface mechanisms to initiate the ingress operation of an access portal, will just repel everyone.
Also remember to use some popular keywords. Plus, there are some popular hacks like creating urgency with first look or exclusive review, using verses in comparison videos, and using locations for recognition.
Still, none of these can help you unless you pay attention to the YouTube algorithm. It's all about connecting with the right viewers at the right moment. One way to do this is by using YouTube Shorts. Who says there's no shortcut to success? YouTube Shorts work like mini episodes that can quickly boost your channel.
To make your channel stand out, focus on keeping people watching by encouraging them to check out more of your videos to increase the time they spend on your channel. Keep an eye on how your videos are doing over time. Older videos can still do well if you update them with better thumbnails and titles.
Remember, the YouTube audience isn't the same for everyone. The platform suggests videos based on what each person likes to watch. Uploading a lot doesn't guarantee success. It's more about making unique, quality content that people look forward to. And don't worry too much about making money right away. What matters most is the viewer's satisfaction. Subscribers are great, but recent views matter more than how long someone has been subscribed. You can call the YouTube algorithm the Albus Dumbledore of the internet, always mysterious, constantly changing, and occasionally favoring videos that can cast a spell on the audience. That's why getting a viral hit is cool, but slow and steady growth is better for your well-being. Because you are no Harry Potter on YouTube wizardry, you don't know if you'll win in the end, so you have to try hard for it. The formula is just be patient, keep making good content, and your audience will find you. It's applicable both for your YouTube channel and love life. thank me later.
Niche is the next important factor in achieving success. Do you know what's common between a doctor and a YouTuber? Both of their target audience always prefers someone specialized in a particular niche. Find one topic you love, look at other channels to see what's missing, and make your special place. You also need to find a balance between trends and your core audience. And one more important thing, never copy.
Start with a captivating banner, icon, and About section for your channel. Create entertaining, educational, or inspiring content to cultivate a dedicated audience. To boost subscribers, consistently produce quality content, collaborate with similar YouTubers, and check your analytics to identify subscriber-generating content.
And that takes us to the cherry on the top, video editing. First of all, cut out all the extra parts and repetitive content to keep it interesting and tight. Use transitions to make a better flow, and make sure the audio quality is good, because if you look good but have a weird low voice, that's a turnoff. Add relevant extra footage to explain things better, and put words on the screen to help people understand. Keep the same look in all your videos so people know it's you. Most importantly, the use of dramatic background music and appropriate sound effects is crucial.
You also can use slow motion and speeded up parts to make things more interesting. Start with something hooking in the first 10 seconds. Practice what you're going to say and add some jokes to make it fun. Over time, it will become your signature style that people will remember about you. So what's your unique content angle? How do you plan to engage your audience? Share your plans in the comments below.
Consistency is key. Subscribe for more tips, and let's turn those small channels into big successes together. Crush it, and see you in the next video.